Hello, Cameron here. Welcome back to my series on sound engineering. In this video, we'll discuss the top 3 tools in sound engineering. We have dedicated in-depth videos also available for each of these tools. This video is a great starting point for those who wish to learn sound engineering in general at an entry level from the ground up. For each processing tool, we explain what it does, why and how it may be used in a sound engineering setting. Our first top 3 tool today that we're going to discuss is the equalizer. Equalizers control the range of frequencies within the human audible range. Equalizers can adjust the natural sound of human voice, electric or acoustic guitars, keyboards, drums, horns, strings, woodwinds, or just about any instrument. The sound produced by each type of instrument or vocal lies within a specific range of frequencies in the sound spectrum. It's these range of frequencies that we want to isolate for each given instrument. Equalizers can be used to boost frequencies to bring out specific instruments or vocals, but more often they're used to cut certain frequencies that may be interfering with a given instrument's natural sound or sonic space. Skilled sound engineers live by the rule that equalization should seldom be used to boost frequencies. Rather, equalizers are more often intended to be used to reduce or cut unwanted frequencies. Professional sound systems may have a dedicated equalizer for every single mixer channel. This can help to accurately reproduce the sound of each instrument or vocal separately by exposing only its natural frequencies apart from others in the performed material. With proper equalization, each instrument can occupy its own sonic space. The result is great clarity. You'll be able to distinguish every instrument in a band, for example. Vocals can stand out in the overall mix or the overall musical arrangement. Nothing gets muddled in the mix with proper equalization applied across different instruments. For more in-depth information on the different types of equalizers, usage techniques, and common frequency ranges for different instruments, make sure to watch our video, Equalizers and Equalization, later in this sound engineering video series. Next up is the compressor. Whereas an equalizer controls the frequency of a signal, a compressor controls the amplitude. Amplitude refers to the strength of the signal as measured by the height of a signal's waveform on an oscilloscope. Compression is not the same as volume. On a sound mixer, volume is controlled by the different faders on the mixer, which control how loud a given signal is relative to the signals on other mixer channels. Even though both volume and compression can affect amplitude, compression uniquely controls the overall range and loudness, the range of volume, if you will, that a signal can have, from its quietest to its loudest parts. Sound engineers use compressors to establish a threshold. A threshold is a maximum amplitude that the signal can reach before the compressor begins to affect the signal. Once this threshold is reached, the compressor will begin to kick in and start to squash the signal's amplitude to ensure that it never exceeds the desired maximum. Reducing the loudness range of a signal in this way is known as compression, hence the name. Both software and hardware versions of compressors are available. Most popular digital audio workstation software supports compression, either natively or via software plugins. For more details about compression, make sure to watch our video, Compression, How and When to Use It, later in this sound engineering series. Next up is the expander, also known as an expander gate. An expander is the opposite of a compressor. While compressors actively limit the maximum amplitude or the maximum loudness range of a given signal, expanders are used to increase the amplitude range of a signal. They're usually set to engage when a signal is quieter than a minimum desired threshold. For example, when a singer is singing very softly, an expander might be configured to automatically kick in, make those parts a bit louder to meet the desired minimum amplitude. You may have heard the term expander gate. Expanders often feature a noise gate. A noise gate allows no sound to pass at all until a desired amplitude threshold is reached. Gates are used to clean up ambient background noise picked up by a microphone when the singer's not singing, or to eliminate the noise from an amplifier while the guitar is not being played. Compressors and expanders are often used in radio and TV broadcast situations to ensure the quietest parts of a broadcast can be heard, while very loud ones remain at an acceptable level so they do not distort or overmodulate the sound system. Just like compressors, an expander may be implemented in either software or hardware. For more details, make sure to watch our expanders and gates video later in this sound engineering series. That's our summary for the top 3 sound processing tools. This is part of our sound engineering series. Please check out all our other great videos in the series. Please remember to give us a like and click that subscribe button if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.